You don't want this to happen to you. This was supposed to be a job where the water that ends up going into this drain in this patio for this forced walkout is gravity fed to a drywell. I always talk about how drywells do not work in soil that doesn't perk. Doesn't matter. You can dig a bigger hole, which they did, and then they dug even a bigger one, and you still end up with a situation where it eventually fills up. It's just like a bathtub. It's going to fill up. You've seen my videos before. You've seen us put in these sump pits where we pump the water up and out of these patios. And the yard looks amazing. We don't hurt the sprinkler system. We don't hurt a blade of grass. Look at this place. Look at this place. All this, the damage is left for the homeowner to pick up the tab, the excavation to be finished, a finished grade, the sprinkler system to be repaired, and guess what? The drain don't work. It don't gravity drain. The drywell doesn't work because it doesn't perk. So they got to throw a sump in this little 9x9 catch basin in the center of the patio to pump the water out when it rains. If you want it done right the first time, give us a call.